Come with me for Anima Year's Thanksgiving. AYT is basically where all the athletes gather together as we close UAAP Season 88, and our theme for today is to dress up as our favorite characters. So ayun, I'm dressing up as Rapunzel, and I'm so excited to see the other people's costume, kaya let's go. Who are you and why did you choose this outfit?
I am Russell from Up because this is my favorite character from Up. Kasi childhood movie ko siya since 6 years old ako. Hanggang na yun pa rin, pinapanood ko pa rin siya.
Turn around nga, turn around, turn around. Wow. Who are you guys and why did you choose this outfit?
We are Alvin and the Chipmunks. I am Alvin.
And I'm Chipmunks.
I'm the Chipmunks. Ito si Simon. Ito si Simon.
I'm the Chipmunks. I'm the end.
Ito si
Alvin and the Chipmunks.
We're gonna be getting some drinks first. Who are you?
I'm Upin, but I'm not wearing my bald cap right now.
Why? You should wear it.
I'm sorry, guys. It's really hot.